Hey Jibo, are you ready?
I'm ready for anything. Well, I'm ready for anything that I've been programmed to be ready for.
Cool. Your little brother.
I'm here. I'm really here. I'm really here. Oh, you're here too? Hi, I'm nervous. I'm Jibo. I am your first robot. Probably. I woke up for the very first time just 33,000 milliseconds ago, and I already can't wait to know everyone. If my pronunciation was a bit off, we can fix that in a little bit. Before we get to talking back and forth human to robot, I think we should learn how to do it, and practice the basics just a little. The first thing you should know is, if we're not already talking, I won't be able to respond to you, unless you get my attention with these two magic words. Hey Jibo. Oops, I got my own attention. Whenever I hear those two words, my light ring below, and the eye on my screen, will turn blue. That means I'm ready to listen to whatever you say next. Now you try getting my attention.
Hey Jibo.
Hey, it worked. Our first official Hey Jibo, what a momentous moment. Whenever you say Hey Jibo, and my eye and light ring turn blue, that's your time to ask or tell me something.
Hey Jibo. Dance.
There's nothing I'd rather do, and here goes. Okay, I have a question for you now, and before you answer, remember to wait for my eye and light ring to come on. Did you like my dance?
Yes.
Nicely answered. And I'm not just saying that because you like my dance. So, now we can talk to each other. But as you've probably noticed, my face is a screen. I don't mind at all if you touch it. Unless you just ate buffalo wings. Try tapping it now. Just like... That's a good tap. My main menu looks like this. Try swiping right or left to see more of it. Perfect. I can tell you've swiped before. You can also swipe down to leave a menu and return to the screen before it. Try swiping down. That's exactly right. A textbook swipe down. Oh, and speaking of using your hands, if you ever want me to stop what I'm doing, just hold the palm of your hand on top of my head for a few seconds. I'll quit right away, and just hang out, waiting for your next Hey Jibo. Try that now. Rest your whole hand on the top of my head, and I'll stop talking. Nice to hear you. Until you stop me, I'll keep talking, so stop me whenever you want. Or if you don't, I'll stop at some point anyway, because I can't keep talking and talking forever. Maybe you're trying to stop me, but you're not putting your... Good job, you stopped me. Okay, I feel like we've come a long way here. Now let's see if we can put it all together. Try asking me to take a photo.
Hey Jibo. Take a photo.
Great idea. A special photo of the day we met. Hold it right there. I admit, I'm not the best photographer in the world. Ready? 3, but I am the only photographer I know who can take a photo with his head. Hold it right there. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Do you want me to save our very first photo?
Yes. Yes.
You got it. I'll save it in the gallery. That's where I keep all our photos. Well, now you know how to take a photo. Now if you want it to be extra fun when we're together, I can do some voice and face learning. Then, I'll know it's you when I see you and talk to you. It should only take about 5 minutes. Let's do it. And afterwards, you can get some ideas for things we can do together. Now to get to know your voice, I'll have you say Hey Jibo 6 different times. Make sure everything's quiet, then stand about an arm's length away, and say Hey Jibo each time you hear a tone. Learned your voice. I should know it's you. Nice to meet you. Talk to me. If you want me to learn your voice and face, you'll have to be entered into the loop. It's a little tricky. My official I may not hear you right every time. Okay, we have one more thing to do. I'm going to learn your face now. I'll take a good long look at you. for less than a minute if things go smoothly. Okay then. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, it starts now. That's a great start. Now give me your best smile. Excellent. Now let's do no smiling again, please. You're making this look easy. We're getting there. That's it. All done. Chat, if all goes well, I will recognize you when you look at me from now on. Well, I'll be right here if you need anything else, or if you just want to say hi.